Today I'm out in my front yard, fly my drone, Dji Mini Pro 3. Here is the drone and the controller.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Nhớ cho ông cho sát tóc dài mình cho nên số tiêu để cùng với mình. Hello everyone, I want to give you a heads up and don't make the mistake that I made. I've been flying drone for a year now. I feel pretty confident about it. Somehow on February 19, 2023, I went hiking with the group Hmong hikers at Lagoon Valley Park. I crashed my drone. It's a disappointment on my end. My drone needs a total repairs. When you fly your drone, here is what you need to know or be aware of. Always practice, fly on an open area. Become familiar with your drone and controllers. Don't fly too close to the radio objects. Use the zoom in and out button on the controller. Observe the area and pay close attention to your surroundings. When the warning sound beep, stop the drone completely. Don't move your drone forward, backward, downward, upward, sideways, left or right. Just leave the drone alone up there and look around where you can move freely. The mistake that I made is that when the warning sound beep, I panicked. I forgot to pay attention to my surroundings. I thought it was those trees that were in front, so I fly the drone sideways to my right, which is there also trees. I fly right into the trees. That's how I crashed my drone. I crashed my drone and broke my drone. I broke my drone today. Careless me. It's all broken. I need to take it to the shop and get this repair. Don't make the mistake that I make. So, don't do like I did. Fly too close to the viewpoint and forgot to pay attention to my surroundings. When the warning sound beep, I didn't stop. I keep on flying. If I use the zoom in and out button, I won't get into this mess. To save you a lot of trouble and money, pay close attention to your surroundings. Fly safe. Today, I get my drone ready, prepared to send it out for repair. Here it is, the package. It's all set and ready to send out. I'm going to send it out to DJI so they can repair my drone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you to give me a thumbs up below. More importantly, I would love you to subscribe to my channel and come along for the adventures. And until next time, get out there. Travels, hiking, fishing, camping, event, eat, pray. Ô cháu ý trong phong như sẽ sụt là thọ bán nạp từ màu tao tê cứ giờ like cho họ video nó. Họ chỉ chính trong lời giờ thọ bán subscribe cho cụ trong YouTube. Thảo cũng một cho cha có trả lời bù. Giờ tại có chỉ tàu cụ tì tạm chào cụ.